Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your iPhone, your Apple iPhone XS Max. Your XS phone, how to reset it proper. Because some of the selling iPhones are getting at the new base, at the new customer, to an iCloud lock, and then you are not able to unlock this. So that means you as vendor have to do a right reset of your phone. How this is easy. Go to settings, and then you're going to see your Apple ID over there. Under the settings, in this case, there is my email address. So now you can see only the Apple ID, Cloud, iTunes, and App Store settings. And at this area, you're going to push. So now you can see on the top side, there is your Apple ID. Okay, now go to iCloud. And then you are going to the setting, Find My iPhone. This is important. Find My iPhone, and then you have to unlock this and this. Now it's locked, but you have to unlock this first and the second unlock. So now you can see you have to enter a password there. Your iPhone password or your Apple ID password, of course. Let's do this. Okay, turn off. Now, turning off Find My iPhone. This is important. This is really important because of the iCloud lock. So now, switch the app to off and then go again to settings. There you can see your iPhone settings. Good job. Now go to General. And there you're going to reset, not shut down, reset. And then you can see reset all settings. No, erase all contents and settings. This is important. This you have to use. Choose wisely. So now he is asking you, do you want to update your iCloud backup before erasing? You can do this at home, of course. I will erase now. So now enter a passcode. So passcode entered, and then it tells you this will delete all media and data and reset all settings. And then he asks you again, are you sure you want to continue? All media, data and settings will be erased. Yes, of course. So this is the last step to remove all data from this Apple iPhone S, Apple iPhone XS Max. This is important. If you like to sell this iPhone or an iPhone like this, you have to do this step by step. First step, you have to unlock, not lock, unlock or disable the setting of Find My iPhone. After this, you have to reset all data and delete all data in one step. And then you are going to sell this iPhone if you want. So that it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.